Welcome to 469 Route 102 in Burton. This gorgeous arts and crafts inspired waterfront home is situated on over 10 acres and offers over 6,700 square feet of living space and includes 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a large in-law suite. Every detail in this home is impressive, with high ceilings, crown molding, and quarter sawn oak woodwork. The spacious kitchen has much to offer, from the island with breakfast bar to the gorgeous floor-to-ceiling cabinetry. Additionally, you will find tile backsplash, granite countertops, a propane stovetop, 2 ovens, and lovely accent stonework. The living room features tray ceilings, striking stone fireplace with propane insert, and handsome wood pillars. A formal dining room, den, and powder room complete this level. There are 2 staircases to the upper level, the larger of which boasts craftsman-style banisters and a grand landing overlooking the main floor. The upper level hosts 4 spacious bedrooms, including the primary suite. 2 of the additional bedrooms boast ensuite bathrooms as well. This level also offers a large laundry room with plenty of cabinetry and storage. The primary bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, a den, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom with tumbled marble floors, a walk-in shower, soaker tub, and a private toilet room. From the back stairs, you will find a walk-through pantry, a walk-in closet, and a mudroom with access to the attached double-car garage. Next, the breakfast nook, with doors to the large back deck overlooking the backyard. The lower level is bright, spacious, and walks out to a lovely patio area. Finished on all 3 levels with an in-law suite in the walkout basement, there is truly no shortage of space. Additional features include a geothermal heat pump, stunning landscaping, and direct access to the Wolastoq River. For more information on 469 Route 102, visit realtor.ca.